We have a water problem. See, right here is a water faucet to water plants and everything else. Well, anyhow, this is what it looks like. This was what it normally would look like. And you turn the water on, it'd come out here. But right in here, little device, we had a leak, and so I spent some time working on it. Tried to take it off, but as you can see, it didn't work too well. So what we have to do is we're going to have to go into the wall here. And so I thought, well, one option would be to take a hole saw, cut it like that, make a big cut. But the problem is I had to put this in that little hole, and so there's no room for my hand or anything. So what we're going to do is I think we're going to look at some other options and go from there. But this is what's going to replace. So a lot of work. It's special. We live out here in the country, and so we need anti-frost pipes. Inside here there's a little pipe here. Let me show you. This actually comes out. Hopefully I turn the water off. We'll find out. Yeah, see? Yeah, we got the water turned off. This is what's inside here. And when you turn it, it turns the valve on and off inside. And this is actually 12 inches inside, so because it does freeze here. So anyhow, we're going to find a way to access that point so we can open it up and fix it without hopefully not trying to cut right here. So bear with me, and we're going to get this fixed. Now we are in the mudroom. I had to move the dryer out, and here's the dryer duct that goes outside. And so basically where that valve is outside, it's 5 inches from here, and then it's 3 1/4 inches this way, and then it's that deep. Like, actually it's less than that deep across. So what I'm going to do now is we're going to go ahead and mark where we're going to cut. Roughly it's going to be 5 inches up, 3 1/4 inches, so it's roughly right in here, and this wall is only 2 inches deep, so it's 1 1/4 inches back past this wall. So that's what we're going to be doing. I'm going to spend a few minutes trying to measure exactly where I want to cut, and then I'm going to show you the cutting tool. So wish me luck, and I think I'm going to have a Coke before I do this. So catch you later. Cool. So I got my Coke. You saw me measure up, and I was trying to figure out how we're going to cut it. So I went out and we got this Dremel Multimax. Pretty cool tool. Nail right there. Came right out. Very simple. Okay, so we got the second piece out. Easy access to this location. And so now the next step is to take the bolt off. Take this sucker off. There it goes. It's moving. Yeah, we did have some water. Definitely don't want that water in our walls. Huh, looks like it stuck. Cool. So we're outside, and now pipe comes right out. See? There we go. So let's look at it. Looks pretty good. And this bad boy goes right in. So we put some of this pipe thread on here. It didn't do so hot. As you can see on the threads here, it didn't. I put it on, tested it for a little bit, took it off. Didn't work too hot. So I'm going to use I'm going to add Teflon tape. So let's go ahead and put some Teflon tape on there. And we'll also use the other tape too, the paste as well. But might as well do a good job because I will never see this hole again. It just takes a couple turns here. I'll get this out of the way. Because you definitely don't want leakage in between your walls. Now we're just going to go outside. Cool. Guess what? We're finished. Got the hole patched inside. Looks real nice. Might have to paint it later, but don't have to worry about it. Right behind the dryer. Got the hose hooked on. Got the attachment for the hose. And look what we got here. Fresh, clean water. Again, I just want to say thanks. It was fun making this video. Have a good one.